Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to be talking about what is a virtual letter room. Let's go. What is a virtual letter room? A virtual letter room is a secure online repository where businesses can store and share confidential documents. VDRs are often used for high-stake transactions such as mergers and acquisition, due diligence, and fundraising. VDRs offer a number of benefits over traditional file sharing methods such as email and cloud storage. VDRs offer robust security features such as encryption, access control, and activity tracking. They also offer collaboration features such as document annotation, file versioning, and Q&A. Why do you need a virtual letter? There are a number of reasons why you might need a virtual letter. Some of the most common reasons include mergers and acquisition. VDRs are often used for mergers and acquisition to allow potential buyers to review the seller's confidential documents. Due diligence. VDRs are also used for due diligence, which is the process of investigating a company's finance, legal history, and other factors before entering into a transaction. Fundraising. VDRs are also used for fundraising to allow potential investors to review the company's confidential documents. Other high-stake transactions. VDRs can also be used for other high-stake transactions such as joint ventures, licensing agreements, and real estate transactions. How does a virtual letter room work? A virtual letter room works like any other online repository. You can upload your documents to the video and then set permissions for who can access the documents. You can also track who has accessed the documents and when. Some common features include document management. VDRs allow you to organize your documents into folders and subfolders. You can also add tags and metadata to your documents to make them easier to find. Collaboration features. VDRs allow you to collaborate with others on your documents. You can add comments, annotation, and questions to documents. You can also start discussions about documents. Security features. VDRs offers robust security features to protect your confidential documents. Documents are typically encrypted at rest and in transit. VDRs also offer access control and activity tracking features. How to choose a virtual letter room. When choosing a virtual letter room, there are a few things to keep in mind. Security. Make sure that the VDR offers robust security features to protect your confidential documents. Features. Consider the features that are important to you, such as document management, collaboration features, and security features. Ease of use. Make sure that the VDR is easy to use for both administrators and users. Pricing. Compare the pricing of different VDRs to find one that fits your budget. That's all. Thank you so much everyone for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I will meet you in the next video. Till that, stay tuned, take care, and bye bye.